7 minutes. Alright guys, so I don't want to talk too much, but we are at a food bank. We're trying to get some help because so I got my son. He's helping me bring in the stuff, but they gave us 3 huge bags of food. I don't know what this is. Some kind of meat. I don't know. No idea. Guess we'll figure it out, right? I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in there and bring this upstairs. But we got a lot today. I guess they give you 3 bags of food. I don't know if that's shut. It's not. It's not. So they give you like a little disclaimer. I guess the reason why they get all of this food is because they use things past the expiration date. It's garbage night. Yeah, so what happens is, I'm just gonna chalk in my hallway really quickly. But what happens is that they get food, and then after 6 months, I guess you're not supposed to use it if it's from the expiration date. But that's gross. Yeah. So that's how they're able to give away all this food. Okay, so my counter is kind of cluttered, just like my whole entire house, but let's see what's in bag number 1. So we have mystery meat. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it says contains sausage. So I can't even eat that. It says Clam Shack gumbo with sausage, white meat, chicken, and shrimp. Yeah, I can't eat that because I'm allergic to that. There's some strawberries. Yay, that's good, right? Let's see. There's a pepper, which I feel like I'm always buying peppers, so this is awesome. Some pears. So let's see. Is there a sell by date? Here's some more vegetable soup. Oh, look at this little thing. I don't know what that is. Is that a pickle? Oh. Ooh, onion. I'm like excited right now. It's like Christmas. There's a banana. And some more bananas. And ooh, little teeny tiny potatoes. And then I get a bag. Look at that. Nice. So that's pretty awesome. It's a lot of food. I'm sorry. I know this, like, all my crap is back there, but this is pretty good. And in bag number 2, should I rip this bag? We have barbecued pork loin. Back to Nature plant-based snacks. Oh, look at that. My kids are gonna like this. Cherry berry cotton candy. There's a lot of stuff in here. Ooh, what is this? Reese's Pieces. Surprise cupcake kit. I guess we're gonna be making some cupcakes. Oatmeal. Oh, that's like my favorite. Apple cinnamon. Pinto beans. We always need pinto beans. What is this? Wafer crackers. 0 wheat. Oh, that's actually good. Use some cheddar cheese dip. Now I can make all those weird TikTok recipes. Guys, I seen one where the lady, she took a turkey and then she put Velveeta cheese inside the turkey and then put it all around the turkey and then put breadcrumbs on it and put it in the oven for an hour. Yep. What's this? Sparkling water. Like, and I'm not saying that, like, I know I'm, like, moving on, but that's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my life. First of all, turkeys take hours to cook. So it makes absolutely no sense that she would only put it in there for 1 hour. And it was a full turkey. Not even like a chicken. What is all this stuff? Let's see. So there's water, blood orange, and raspberry sparkling water. Is this beer? I don't know what this is. Oh, raspberry flavored malt beverage. I guess it's a drink. Huh. I don't know what that is. But it did say non-alcoholic. Look, they're little candies. This is green tea. Hot chocolate. No. What's this? Actual chocolate. And some jelly hearts. I don't know how to put this stuff. Oh, it's cheese. Vegetable cheddar cheese. I guess it's just cheese with some vegetables in it. It's fancy. A lemon tart. Protein bar. Vanilla Rice Krispie. And granola. And now I have a bag for my kitties. And bag number 3. Let's see what's in this one. Raisin Grains. I mean, it has raisins in it. "12 seeds and grains." Huh. Okay. Some rolls. Artisan bread. Super seed mix. Super seed mix. Oh, I guess crackers? Oh, we got some vegetables. Arugula. And marbled chocolate brioche. Oh, there's a cantaloupe in there. This is from Basil. Some roasted turkey breast. A cantaloupe. And what's in there? Oh, some chicken babies. Sorry, I'm childish. some chicken breasts. Woohoo! That's awesome, guys. Seriously. We got all of this food. Now, I know that, yes, some of my crap is still in the back, but all of this for $6. That's amazing. That's, like, super awesome. They said that you could do it once a week. I don't think I would do it every week because I feel like there's more people out there who are struggling more than me, but maybe, like, once, maybe every other week. So once a month, every other week, something like that. I think that would be pretty awesome. So, and this is the thing, is that, like, we love cantaloupe, but I can never afford it. It's too expensive. So, look at this stuff. That is pretty awesome. Alright, so I encourage you guys, if you are struggling the way that I'm struggling, definitely go down to your local food bank. Now I'm gonna have to use all of this, and I don't even know how to use half of this stuff, so it's going to be a very good learning experience. And I know my YouTube friends are gonna be like, this is what you do with this bread, and this is what you do with these. And I know that this one's a squash, but I don't know what this is. It's like a pickle. Might be a squash. But if you have any suggestions, go ahead and comment down below. And have you guys ever been to a food bank? Because this is pretty awesome. I know that a lot of them, you don't pay anything, but I don't mind $6 when I only have a $50 budget and I get all of this. That is pretty awesome. So, alright guys, I am going to call it a day, but thank you for coming with me on this journey. Go ahead and like, comment, and definitely share this video. And yeah, and keep that algorithm going, because we need clicks, we need friends. So I will see you guys later, okay? Have a great day. Bye.